You found the perfect rental. $149 a night. Ocean view, hot tub. You book 7 nights. That's $1,043. Reasonable. Then you reach checkout. Cleaning fee, $275. Service fee, $198. Resort fee, $145. Occupancy tax, $89. Damage protection, $59. Your $1,043 just became $1,809, a 73% increase. You're not renting a vacation home. You're funding an entire supply chain of hidden middlemen. Here are 10 fees they don't want you to understand. Starting at number 10. Number 10. The cleaning extortion. $275 to clean a 1-bedroom apartment. That's what Airbnb hosts charge on average now. A professional cleaner costs $80 to $120 for that space. The host pockets the difference. Some hosts admit openly that the cleaning fee is profit, not cost. They charge it because the platform lets them. And here's the kicker. You're also expected to take out the trash, strip the sheets, load the dishwasher, and start the washing machine before you leave. You're paying $275 for cleaning, then doing the cleaning yourself. But this next fee is even more ridiculous. Number 9. The service illusion. Airbnb calls it a service fee. VRBO calls it a booking fee. It sounds like you're paying for customer service, for dispute resolution, for some kind of protection. You're not. This fee averages 14% of the booking total. On a $1,000 reservation, that's $140 going straight to the platform. No service is performed for this fee beyond what the platform already provides. The listing, the payment processing, the messaging system. These are infrastructure costs that every online business absorbs. Travel platforms pass them to you and call it service. It's a commission wearing a disguise. Number 8. The mystery resort fee. You're not staying at a resort. You're staying at someone's condo in Destin. But there it is on your checkout page, an essence resort fee, $35 per night. For what? Access to the community pool? The parking spot? The Wi-Fi? These are amenities already included in the property. The resort fee is pure profit splitting between the host and the property management company. Some rentals charge it per night, some charge it per stay. There's no standard because there's no regulation. It's a made-up charge for made-up services, and this is where the platforms really profit. Number 7. The double commission. Here's how the money flows. You pay a service fee to the platform, that's 14%. The host also pays the platform a commission, typically 3% on every booking. That means the platform collects 17% total on your reservation. On a $1,500 stay, that's $255 going to Airbnb or VRBO. For running a website, no inventory, no maintenance, no risk. They take a cut from both sides and provide a messaging app. This double-dip commission structure is why these platforms are worth billions while hosts struggle and travelers overpay. But the next fee hides inside your nightly rate. Number 6. The built-in markup. You think the nightly rate covers the host's mortgage and profit. Mostly yes, but property managers add their own layer. Many vacation rentals are managed by companies, not individual owners. These managers charge the host a management fee of 20 to 35% of the booking revenue. To cover that cost, the host raises the nightly rate. So, the rate you see already includes the manager's cut baked in. You're paying for a middleman you never see, never chose, and never agreed to. The host isn't greedy. The system is stacked. But wait until you see what happens at tax time. Number 5. The inflated tax base. Occupancy taxes on vacation rentals range from 8 to 15% depending on the location. But here's what nobody explains. These taxes are calculated on the total, including the cleaning fee, the service fee, and the resort fee. That $275 cleaning fee you didn't ask for? It just added $33 in taxes. The $198 service fee? Another $24 in taxes. You're paying taxes on fees. The government collects more. The platform doesn't care. The host doesn't care. You're the only one absorbing the compounding effect of fees that generate more fees. And the platforms won't fix this because they profit from it. Number 4. The damage insurance trap. $59 for damage protection. Sounds responsible, but read the coverage. Most damage protection plans only cover accidental damage up to a certain amount, usually $1,500 to $3,000. They don't cover intentional damage, theft, or anything the host claims was pre-existing. The claim process requires photos, documentation, and a dispute resolution that favors the host. You paid $59 for insurance that's nearly impossible to collect on. And here's the worst part. Some hosts require you to purchase this. It's mandatory protection that protects the host, not you. But this next trick is the most transparently greedy. Number 3, the per-person penalty. The listing says sleep 6. The nightly rate looks great for a group. Then you read the fine print. Additional guest fee, $25 per person per night after 2 guests. Your group of 6 just added $100 per night to the bill. Over 7 nights, that's $700 extra. The water usage for 4 additional people costs maybe $15 total. The electricity for extra showers is negligible. The per-person fee has no relationship to actual cost. It's a pricing strategy. List a low base rate to appear in search results, then inflate the total with guest fees. But this next one punishes you for booking too early or too late. Number 2, the early bird penalty. Book early and save. That's the travel industry's oldest promise. With vacation rentals, it's often a lie. Hosts set high initial prices months in advance, hoping someone impulsive or desperate will bite. When the dates get closer and the calendar is still empty, prices drop. The early booker paid premium. The last-minute booker got the deal. Platforms don't show you price history. They don't alert you when a listing drops. You booked in January at full price while someone else booked the same unit in May for 30% less. Loyalty to the calendar is punished, not rewarded. But number 1 is the fee that should make everyone furious. Number 1. The fee-on-fee stacking. This is the ultimate scam. You pay a cleaning fee. That cleaning fee is subject to the service fee, so the platform takes 14% of the cleaning fee too. You pay a resort fee. The service fee applies to that as well. Your taxes are calculated on everything, including fees that were already inflated. A $275 cleaning fee generates $38.50 for the platform and service fees and $33 in taxes. That's $71.50 in additional charges triggered by one fee. Fee-on-fee stacking means every invented charge compounds the next one. The total markup isn't 40%. On many rentals, it's closer to 60%. You're not renting a vacation home. You're feeding a fee pyramid. So guys, vacation rental platforms built a business on invisible markups. The nightly rate is just the bait. The real business is the fees. And the fees on top of fees. Every dollar you overpay gets split between the platform, the host, the property manager, and the tax collector. You're the only one not getting a cut. Next time you book, scroll to the total before you commit. Compare that total, not the nightly rate, against a hotel. You might be shocked at which one is actually cheaper. Share this before someone you know gets fleeced at checkout.